Okay, so with um, all this talk of Bell-matics, I started getting curious and I started poking around, and I saw this, and I was like, that's pretty cool. This is a neat model. This is one of these that Seiko made, where the movement model casing number is the same, but with a different variety of dial. These are normally, let me see if I can get this here. These are normally just, they normally don't have this Arabic numbered dial. Normally these have just like a standard, you know, business person dial. Let's see if I've got this up here. And that's another one from the same seller. Missing its bezel. Missing its bezel, but, dial loom is actually pretty good. This loom's too black. It would need to be, yeah, that's pretty dark. I don't know, but if it was lighter when it showed up, maybe I'd be able to try it. This one, the loom and the dial's almost completely gone. Now you'll notice two things. Actually, one thing. The difference here, the only difference, is this ring here is silver on this one and black on this one. I've only ever seen these in black. I've never seen them like this. So my assumption would be that this is a service piece. Hang on. But I'm not 100% sure about that. But we're going to find out because I have this watch with me right now. Oh no, it's cracking. But I noticed something else. So I'm looking, it's the same seller. I'm looking at this watch and I'm trying to find auction pictures or catalog pictures so I can research this, right? And I look at the seller's other one here, I'm like, oh, that's cool. It's a little rusty. Looking original. There we go. There's the case back. Go over here. There's the case back. So what do we see? 792, 301, 792, 962. These things were made, I think, 601 units apart. Both of them in September 1977. They were, I'm sure, in the factory at the same time. What's weird to me is that, well, one, that's neat when you see that, but from the same seller. I don't know what that means. What do you all think? I also was going to see, I want to look at this other tab here. Hang on. So I'm looking here. I want to find the civilian dial. That's my picture. I took that. In fact, that's my watch that belongs now to the lovely and talented Ryan Walters. Yeah, so there it is. That is the civilian dial that one can get with one of these. So long story short, I see this. This is something that I see, having the Arabic number dial variant on top of a civilian model. I see that with the MACV SOG watches. Now, I'm not saying that these things are MACV SOG watches. What I'm saying is that it's something that I see with them, and it makes me curious, because I don't know why this specific variant would come up. Oh, there's another one right there. That's me again. I'm not sure. Do I have that bracelet still? I thought I just saw that bracelet. Sigh. Ooh. What do we got here? I have no affiliation with this website. I just what I happened to find. I've got one of these, just the case. Just the case. Somebody had just gone all over it with an electro pencil. Just ruined it. I polished it, and it looks okay. I need to do a better job. Yeah, it's right there. got this hooded lug design. Hey, look at that, 7018, huh? These are, I wish they did a better job with their plating. I have one of these, and I've got one of these bracelets. I have one of these, no bracelet. I don't think I have one of those. I have the later versions of this. There were some that were printed without a jewel count, but I don't remember why. Sorry, I was reading the guy's thing and I mentally responded, and then it came out of my mouth. So that's pretty cool. What is the bracelet that this one had? I'm gonna have to see. I don't know that I recognize that link style. I don't know that it works with this watch head. Ah, look at that Lord Marvel high beat, 36,000 BPH. These are lovely bracelets. Ooh, I have one of these bracelets. Wait, do I? Is that angled off on the sides? Is that angled off on the sides? It's similar. It can't be the same one. Oh, I'll lose my mind if I have that one. I mean, I know I have that one. I could just never figure out. Well, I know I have one like it, but I can never figure out what it was for. Stellux. Wow, that's crazy. I'll have to dig that out. So here's that beautiful bracelet, stellux, solid stellux. Really nice quality. These beautiful oval links, really flexible, because everything rotates on these little pins, and it's not rattly either. It feels solid. This is a beautiful bracelet. Stellux, very nice. That goes on either one of, no, it goes on this one. Right? Doesn't it? Oops, upside down. That, nope, does not go on that one. It does go on this one. I swear it does. Like so. I should service this one. It's kind of sporty. That little red flash up there. Pretty nice looking watch, all told. November 1970. Case is a little brushed now, but okay, I gotta figure out my light situation here. Look at how beautiful and white the lume is. Absolutely no staining on that dial. Beautiful and clean, bright. It's 17 joules. Is that text a little runny? No, it's just the way I'm looking at it. Anyway, that's pretty nice, huh? That's a sporty one. I dig it. Here's the other, it's the sort of less sporty, dressier, more conventional case shape. But it too, look at that lume. Yeah, this is a nice watch, man. I don't know that you can see, look at the reflections around the letters. If you look real carefully, you can see how when that stamp went down, kind of squished the metal out, right? So you can see this raised ridge. That's chocolate, people. Here, I'll do that. So you can see the raised ridge. They're still there. They haven't worn away yet. That's one of the things when you see a watch that's been remanufactured, they'll grind the back flat. I wish they made the lugs longer, because to me these look a little stubby. I wish they made these lugs just like a hair longer. Would have made it just I don't know, in my mind, a bit more elegant, and also would fit my giant wrist more. But boy, that is a pretty watch, isn't it? That really is something. I have 1, 2, 3 of these. complete with their bracelets. This one came from Ryan Walters. And I have another one bagged up somewhere. I don't think I'm holding it. 1, 2, 3. Where's the third? Wait, is that the third one? Oh, wait, because that's right. I dumped the bracelet. Wait, it's right here. There's your bracelet. And I have another one, too. More bracelets. I don't know. This particular blue is the same color blue as my dad's 1978 Ford, which is, I don't know, I don't like it. Okay, so we got the last one is, I love these bracelets, these coffin link bracelets. They're really cool. And you've got this wide case. These are those 20s or 22s? Are those 20s or 22s? That can't be a 22. It's got to be a 20. Yep, 20. That was my tummy, people. It's a 20. Huh. Wow, for a second, because it's the same case profile as a 6309, which I don't have out. I have it over here. Nope. Oh, I do. See, it's got that shallow cutout. Damn. And so it's not, whenever I see something like this, I register it because there are a number of Seiko bracelets out there that fit these end links. Any case, that's pretty cool. I love these. I really do. But I've never found a watch that they really worked for me. I'm hoping this one's different. I've been looking at one of these for a while. This one's also it's in pretty good shape. Lume's not quite as nice. So there we go. Yeah, so Lume is pretty darkened. It's like, looks like actually some looms actually popped out. A lot of haze on the hands. Case is worn. Somebody really wore the heck out of this thing. And look at this, it's got a replacement crown on it. It's brass, it's the wrong size. Well, for a second I thought I was gonna pull that right out. That's what she said. Yeah. So we got a little bit of water in there for sure, and some less than top-notch servicing. I have not opened this thing. Sorry for the cluck. So here's a trick. Whenever I'm, just going to do a basic opening on a watch, before if I really know it's going to, crack open for me. Come on. Do I have to swap you around to stop you from doing that? Come on. Stop that. But I just like to put some, put a little plastic bag in there to kind of cushion it. Not bad. Out. Okay, let's see what we've got. Put that right there for a second. Here, we're all going to see this together. Well, the automatic winding works. What do we got for any signatures in here? I don't see any. Okay, what do we got? it's barely running. Looks clean enough. These are beautiful movements. They're just beautiful, beautiful movements. This blows away anything Rolex was doing at the time. Insane that this was an in-house movement. Well, I think that's enough for tonight. I have a huge backlog of projects I want to do, to show you guys and gals and people and humans. I just need to find the determination to do it. I would test the alarm button. Well, I don't know. Oh, I can't. Well, let's see if we can click. Wait, okay, I think wait, I can't. Wait, hold on. No, I think that wheel is stuck. I'm not going to try to force it, because that's how you operate the alarm, and it's not moving. You don't want to force it. So I'll have another video where we rip that apart. But in the meantime, there you go. The wonderment that is Bell-matic.